Abang ingat aku nggak? Ingat dong. Siapa ya? Aku mau jawaban, cukup satu jawaban. Enaknya bang. Bersandar dulu. Stop.
Had a couple naps on the final 32, and I got away with my opponent making a mistake, and went to Hill, and he made a mistake on the 8 ball. Kind of went back and forth a little bit, and then I finished out the match. So, like I said, I took advantage of my opponent's mistake.
Abang, hello. How's your day?
Tough conditions and tight pockets, and I see everybody's missing, and the tables are playing really tough. So the conditions and the atmosphere, just still a little bit of pressure. If I can work on my game a little bit and be able to, I see that he's been missing balls, and I'm missing balls too, so it's going to be some
Tanjung Pinang itu di Kalimantan ya? Atau Tanjung Pinang, Pangkal Pinang tuh beda ya?
Yeah, I think so. Michael's talking about the power that they display.
Powdernya merek Hair Nerd Studio.
Especially with the cut breakers.
Hair Pro, Hair Nerd
Style
Professional.
these days. Continually, day in, day out. Kashi and SBB are able to unload on the rack and repeatedly.
Bisa nggak jangan jatuh-jatuh? Nggak bisa.
Yeah, I hope someone's got a spare set of balls, because the way she's too close to head into them, and not either goes close. Shane Ramone doing what he spends so much of his life doing, practicing his game. He goes to any event, he's not playing, sometimes when he's been knocked out, you see him spending hour after hour, quite happy to just go off into his own company, into his own world.
Di Kepulauan Riau bang. Oh iya, Tanjung Pinang. Kalau Pangkal Pinang?
Still get through, but we have to win the last 3 racks against Germany's devised boulders. Yeah, the prospect of co-brothers playing each other might sound exciting, but then you see the reality of it. We've seen it a number of times in recent years, most notably at the World Masters 2 years ago.
Ini nonton biliar. Wait, let me show you.
Yeah, you gotta figure, that's not gonna continue. That they're gonna break out of their mini slumps with each other because they will face off.
Turnamen biliar. Habis cukur kah? Enggak guys, masih gondrong banget itu, lihat. Belum cukur aku. Cukur apa ya? Cukur mulet kali ya. Abang kapan ke Lampung? Kayaknya beberapa hari lagi. Rencananya hari ini tau guys. Cuman aku belum servis mobil. Jadi kayak aduh, besok kali ya servis dulu gitu.
What a way that is to start the match. But the golden break, excellent catching, is already into a 1-0 lead. A slightly embarrassed smile, but a very pleased smile for the Albanian.
Dibotak. Aku dibotak kayaknya kayak alien deh.
On the break.
Soalnya jidatku lebar guys.
Good effect there, JJ.
Tuh.
Yeah, absolutely. I always talk about how fast the one ball
Ada yang mengundang.
Crouchy compared to other players, but it was the 9 in a quick manner exiting to your lower left corner. And he'll take that's for sure. I mean, that's that bonus. I mean, we talk about it every tournament. Does anyone make
Abang kapan main ke Tangsel? Lah ini aku Tangsel.
right in that same boat?
Well, you need a bit of good fortune, of course, but the power they bring to us
Masuk daerah Tangsel maksudnya.
increases the chances of the 9 being hit with the force it needs. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with the game, if you are, you're probably a little bit bemused by what's happened there. So the basics of 9 ball, so long as you hit the lowest value ball remaining on the table first, any slot is legal and keeps you at the table.
Aku ingin engkau selalu hadir dan temannya.
I moved out of the rack a little bit there, a little concerned maybe. Not what the players want to see. When the 9 moves a bit, we see a few more dry breaks. Quite the opposite of rack number 1.
Coba ngomong Jawa.
Rack number 2.
Ngomong Jawa.
You heard a little cheer.
Ini ngomong
in the
Jawa.
background. That was a guy that keeps winning. Tobias Bongers, a big win over Kofi Mead.
Yeah, he had a big win yesterday in the last 64 against Jason Shaw.
Yuk ngopi di Bolang.
Now, he's matches beating 2 players who won major titles.
Jauh guys dari aku. 15 menit.
Part of the World Nine Ball Tour in 2023. So, Tobias Bongers will play Mieszko Fortulski for a place in the semis.
Yeah, some names gonna make more noise. Not sure who it is yet, but of course, definitely a breakout for Bongers. We've talked about Fortulski for some time, but he really showed his class.
Yang tadi parfumnya apa? Yang mana?
UK Open so far. And Bongers is
Yang dikasih ini tadi.
that you consider him
Escobar to El Victo.
Looking at the start of 2024.
Mamma mia Lezato.
Which player might make
Yang ini Cool Minds.
so deep in one of these events in the course.
Shirley May.
Certainly been high on that list because he had a lot of good results last
Yang ini oke sih. Bau-bau orang turun dari BMW gitu.
Kraus. Piers Labudas. You gotta figure it's a little favorite been in this setting a few times and making
Langsung
somewhat early or something.
memikat para hati-hati wanita ini.
away from the final of the Spanish Open.
Maksudnya nenek-nenek.
Basically an identical event to
Nenek-nenek wanita juga toh. Karena kayaknya wangi-wangi yang disukai nenek-nenek.
I'm not sure he's going for the make here. Maybe just banging the one around trying to bring the cue ball behind the red 3.
Oh nge-lag ya?
Well, just watch that.
Excellent catch, it's come to play. Did play Wimbledon last weekend in the Scottish Open.
Yeah,
Another
but-
event. Smaller in many ways than this, but an extremely strong field. Most of the world's best players. They met at this last 16 stage, catching one.
Kapan ke Serang? Belum ada jadwal ke Serang.
Won Kwok Wan, who went on to claim the title in Glasgow.
Not sure what he's doing here. Is he trying to push behind the 7 maybe?
Kata temen aku urat ini kayak mau meletus guys. Oh kata Ica, kata Kisa. Katanya
Playing the blue 2 off the pink floor to it.
uratmu kayak mau meletus mas katanya gitu. Ini namanya tak nampak kerja keras bang kata.
In that middle, catching both knuckles.
Gelangnya ganti ya? Enggak.
Blue 2 trouble.
Cuman Leontina udah hilang tuh.
It's an absolute certainty.
Ini dikasih sama teman-teman Kim Entertainment kemarin waktu di Palangka Raya. Jika aku bukan jalanmu, ku berhenti mengharapkanmu.
Some upsets at times, such a mental game. Take a guy like Bongers or some other players that are playing very well. It's all about getting settled.
Kapan ke NTB? Belum tahu, belum pernah aku kesana.
If you lose your opening match in this
NTB, NTT, NTA.
but it makes life an awful lot harder. You need to win more matches to get through to single elimination. And if you do get there, you won't be seeded, so that makes things a lot tougher.
Umroh bareng siapa nanti mas? Bareng Kanisa, kakaknya Farid. Insya Allah. Yuk yang mau ikut umroh bareng sama travel aku itu. Berangkatnya awal Juli.
So he is still undefeated in this tournament. Since then, he's beaten Nicky Krause, Mario Healy in a massive slog yesterday. And Toby Han, former World Cup finalist with Singapore.
Udah pernah ke Kalbar? Belum. Kalteng pernah. Palangkaraya, Pangkalan Bun. Waktu itu aku ngisi di acara buka bersama keluarga besar Haji Rashid. Haji Rashid.
Luckily, the Patrick now got a chance to bounce back after that miss. I think he's still looking, of course, to play his best pool, but I don't think he's that far off.
Makan nasi kuning. Gimana?
We've seen him on one or two of the shots in this run-out.
Allahumma barik lana fi nanti di Lampung BLK. Bisa jadi. Kayaknya aku bawa stick deh. First impression ke Banjar. Belum pernah ke Banjar kan?
This is Morris Bongers we were telling you about. Getting a bit of a reputation for this, these big celebrations at the end of matches, which we love to see, of course. And that is another fine win for him. Already he's knocked out Jason Shaw, and he's taken care of last year's World Masters champion, Ko Kun Yi. And as we said, he will face Mieszko Krasunsky in the quarterfinals, which will be played later today. That's the run catches gone on. I told you about. You know, I've seen once or twice.
Ini piring tadi.
It's a long, long time when there's no shot.
Taruh dapur dulu deh ya. Diterima ya. Seperangkat alat makannya.
Yeah, I think that's, if you took a poll for all the players, I think that would be the case.
Bang peluk.
Obviously, they're playing great in the final 16, so just takes away the second guess. Michael, I think it makes for better. Took a look back at the pink covering of the keyboard. That's the paint. That's why I'm talking about the play. You gotta try to keep developing the harder break. Not all in there. 2 or 3 international 9. And if you have less work,
Coconut.
Four pulls up middle area. Middle area. Middle area.
Abang nggak nonton film?
Of course, he's one of the most experienced player on the planet, SDB, and he's had a couple easy wins and then he had a couple really tight ones. His last two matches, of course, epic one with Tyler Ferry last night.
Yeah, that was one of those that was so close all the way. He eventually got through Zamboni in the deciding round against his fellow American. And he had it tough in the previous round as well. He was pushed to 10-8 by Blue Trong An of Vietnam. He also got a bye in the first round of Zamboni. His first match was against home player Jake Newlove, who put up a decent fight, but eventually succumbed 9-4. And then a very comfortable win over former World Masters runner-up Lo Ho Sung, 9-1.
Pengen keluar tapi males. Diajakin habis.
Very close. Not happy with that one, and you can see why.
No, I'm surprised he went off that side of the blue too. I thought he would try to edge
Nggak ngantuk bang,
put the
belum
two
sih.
back there on the people at the table.
Mancing indoor bang.
You know, one thing that
Pada ngetekin aku di mancing indoor tuh.
it's been one of the best tactically. You can't win all those titles without it, but not the one you want there.
He's from Albania, only 25
Oh,
years of age, but he's already been around for some time. Won a big event in New York as long ago as 2017. The same year, he was a World Championship semi-finalist. Runner-up in
Buh.
the US Open. The very next year,
Orang Lampung kah bang?
he's never
Bukan bang.
Cup player. Still
Aku aslinya
first of 4 straight appearances.
di apa namanya?
Played since 21.
Tahu daerah apa sih
Maybe
itu?
it was an accident.
Pada daerah sendiri lupa namanya. Ketahuan banget mau bohong.
And runs in the family.
Ngantuk. Ya udah tidur aja.
Brother made the final 64 this year. Sure, he's in the audience. What, big brother?
Mataku ini sensitif guys. Kalau siang, kalau lama-lama kena matahari, kena paparan matahari bisa merah. Terus kena debu dikit merah. Mandi kena sabun dikit gitu, misal atau apa gitu, bisa merah. Terus kalau udah kecapean banget merah. Kenapa ya?
We've seen it really
Ya iyalah.
golden bird.
Enggak, tapi sensitif banget maksudnya gitu loh. Emang semua orang gitu? Enggak lah.
Number two.
Aku waktu syuting pakai roto, cuman katanya nggak boleh sering-sering. Jadi aku pakainya pas ya kebutuhan syuting aja, kayak biar gak merah-merah banget. Karena gampang banget merah mataku. Tuh dilihat tuh kayak nggak fresh gitu sebenarnya. Tuh sebelah kiri bawah ini. Ini dulu pernah iritasi. Dulu waktu kecil aku pernah main layangan. Ngejar layangan lebih tepatnya. Kayak tahu kan zaman-zaman 2000 duluan 15 tahun yang lalu lah kurang lebih. Itu kita ngejar layangan harus sampai ke gang-gang rumah tetangga gitu-gitu ya, ke kampung-kampung sebelah gitu. Ya, nge-lag lagi. Masih nge-lag nggak? Masih nge-lag ya? Udah nggak? Sampai mana tadi ceritanya? Sampai mana tadi? Sampai mana tadi? Ngejar layangan. Iya, dulu ngejar layangan kan sama teman-teman kayak. Jadi kan kalau layangan kita nih, kalau di tempat aku namanya sebotan. Sebotan itu Sebotan itu gesekan gitulah, gesek, adu layangan gitu. Nah kalau putus kita ngejar layangan itu guys. Iya, adu benang gitu, sebotan kalau tempat aku namanya. Yang putus, misal layangan aku putus, aku ikut ngejar juga atau layangan orang gitu. Layangannya bagus gitu. Kita Uber tuh kan, Uber. Aku waktu itu lari kan, kita tuh ngelewatin rumah-rumah warga, ganggang, samping kandang sapi kayak gitu-gitu kan, kayak lari. Ada itu di samping rumahnya Edo, temen aku, namanya Edo. Di situ ada tali jemuran guys, kan kalian tahu tali tambang, jemuran, tapi kayak gelewer. Aduh, gelewer tuh apa ya? Gelewer tuh kayak ini ngegantung tapi nggak panteng gitu, longgar, menjuntai, astaga, menjuntai ini kan harusnya panteng tuh ya, dia menjuntai, mungkin karena longgar atau gimana aku nggak tahu. Lewat situ itu tuh kayak semata aku waktu itu lari nggak lihat, langsung merah, itu merahnya lama itu tragedi yang lumayan serem waktu itu, langsung kayak nggak bisa dibuka berapa menit gitu, nangis berair mata gitu. Dari situ itu salah satu kejadian yang bikin mata aku tuh jadi sakit, infeksi enggak. Aduh, waktu itu nggak tahu, masih kecil jadi kayak didiemin aja. Enggak infeksi sih. Jadi waktu itu, habis itu waktu aku udah gede, udah dewasa. Ya masih udah umur 18-an lah, 18-19 lah. Itu pernah
cut short. Nicely. Looks like he's aiming a little heavier on the one ball, so maybe a safety coming. And this is awfully thin on the ones. Trying to stun the cue ball kind of one rail behind the six and bang the one around. Maybe something light coming up on the six. Nice touch again. The thing is not only to get the snooker, but get that little extra squeezing the cue ball up on the six.
Two of the finest young talents in the European game, that was scot-free because just as Sanja Pelovanovic walked out of the shop, Alexa Pechel's walked into it. The back young man there is Petty Okachi, Keith's younger brother, who we were talking about. Got to the last 16 on his debut appearance. Spanish Open last summer.
Bang,
A single elimination here.
mau tidur jam berapa?
Luck,
2 menit lagi deh.
the offense, I think he's got that, but Okachi does have a look at the one ball. So it should
Aku tuh kan suka ini ya guys, ngecek explore TikTok,
be a little stressful.
kayak apa yang
It's usually nobody gets too much. It's difficult to quit.
tapi ngecek nyari namanya itu nama aku gitu, kayak pengen lihat komenan. Aku cari Ajando udah Fema misal gitu, terus bacain komen teman-teman follower. Kadang aku nemuin yang ibu-ibu kayak gitu tuh. Aku ibu-ibu 2 anak, terharu aja gitu. Ada yang kayak gitu tuh, yang dari kalangan mama-mama muda.
And has now claimed that title 5 times. It's a joint record. He's had 5 attempts now.
Kayak kemarin di Palangkaraya
Earl Strickland, but hasn't managed to add to his haul.
ada yang datang sama anaknya, ibu-ibu.
Championship, though. He's been beaten in the
Seneng aja gitu.
for at last winning it 2 years ago.
Lebaran di mana? Belum tahu nih. Aduh.
Giving it a big effort to jump back across side. it was amazing to me how great these players are as well. There's so many shots in the game. You know, one inch makes all the difference in how you play something, but the one that
Abang kapan ke Parung Panjang?
shots like that,
Iya lupa ya, dari kemarin tuh mau ke tempat Ilham.
be able to pretty much pull them off under the
Mungkin
pressure.
nanti deh.
Super impressive.
Lupa aku guys, sumpah. Padahal udah janji mau mampir ke rumah dia.
To hold the cue ball.
Kemarin masih sibuk soalnya.
And I'm not sure the red three passes the pink. If it doesn't, you may play the two and come one rail and kind of cannon into the red. I think it's pretty natural to do so.
Extension call.
Udahan yuk. Ya udah deh, yuk. Padahal aku niatnya hari ini mau berlama-lama nge-live ya. Ingin berlama-lama sama kalian. Tapi disuruh udahan, ya udah deh.
What went wrong there, Jacob?
Well, just knowing Kachi,
Ya maksudnya
so much.
too much banget.
They're a little quicker than normal, certainly quicker than anticipated.
Aduh lucu banget.
Bit of a kick on the red three. Another reason why you want to be so much straight on those tight ones.
Ya deh, makasih. Udah kalian semua sehat-sehat ya.
Good stuff.
Selamat istirahat semuanya. Assalamualaikum.
A jump shot, a kick shot, and a couple safeties for Shane so far. Not a whole lot of time at the table. And Kachi will go for the make here, try and swing the cue ball back around where he's at now. Bit of a